sir.
Afternoon.
Good evening,
Good evening,
everyone.
sir.
Good evening. Today's class is important, the basic foundation class with respect to the percentage. This topic is very important topic. Okay, it has lot of applications. So learning the fundamentals is important. Even though if you know the basic fundamentals with respect to the percentage, you need some revision with respect to this. So next of 30 to 45 minutes, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals with respect to the percentage. So listen carefully. If you are having any doubt, you may clarify immediately. So since this is very important topic. So first of all, so what do you mean by percentage? So the definition is also an important one. Okay, we need to know about that. So here I will give you a simple. Okay, so which means that a fraction whose denominator is expressed as 100, then you call that as percentage. Then you call the numerator of that fraction of that fraction as a rate percentage, here and clear. For example, here 2 by 100, then what percentage? You call that numerator is 2, therefore you call that as 2 percentage. Understood? A fraction
Yes, sir.
whose denominator is expressed as 100. So whatever be, you need to express the given in terms of denominator as 100. Then the respective rate percentage is equal to the numerator. So therefore, so here you need to be very careful here with respect to these things. Then after this, some concepts are very important. Basic concepts, how to convert. So that conversions are very important. So I will teach you the conversions first. Then important concepts also. Then we will move on to the some basic problem. Today and tomorrow, I mean today and next class is going to be the basic class. Those questions, okay. And in the tomorrow's class, we are going to discuss the basic question. Those questions you may expect in your state public service commissions. So as few aspirants made an obligation to take this UPSC class with respect to the covering state public service commission also. So therefore we are doing that also. One class is to cover the state public service commission. Then we are going to concentrate the UPSC fully from the third class. Always first class is going to be very important. So listen. So that percent, okay, per means divided by, per means divided by, okay. Cent means 100. This you know very well. So or you call that as a per 100, per 100, okay, or you call that as out of 100, okay, out of 100. So here the basic thing, okay. So for example, Sanjay, okay, Sanjay invest, okay, invest 5% of income into savings, okay, savings. So what does it mean? 5% means which means that for every for every 100 rupees, for every 100 rupees he saves rupees 5. Understood or not? So that is called as 5% here of the income. So just if you don't know that total income, then consider as a 100. So here keep in mind for percentage, if nothing is given, then you consider that as a 100. Okay, so therefore the simplifications will be simple. So here everyone understood, right? This one,
Yes, sir.
for every rupees 100 he saves rupees 5. Okay, so next one, suppose so he invest 1 by 30th income, okay, into share market. Suppose his income is rupees, okay, income is rupees 900, okay. So now how does he invest in shares, or else how much he invest in shares? So 900 by 30 gives you answer, yes or no? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here in this type you do not have to convert in terms of 100 etc. It is clearly mentioned. So this is 1, this is 2. Here it is clearly mentioned 1 by 30th of the income is going to be the share. Though his income is here 900 rupees. Therefore 1 by 30th of that income is going to be the investment in the share. So then the basic concepts. First of all, conversions you need to learn. Conversion of percentage into fraction. Percentage into fraction. So here what is the first step? Okay, the first step is replace the percentage sign with 1 by 100. Then so reduce the fraction into a simplest form, so that is nothing but a conversion of the percentage into a fraction. So I will give you a simple question here. Okay, so just 25 percentage is equal to what? What is the procedure? Remove that percentage and replace with 1 by 100, then cancel. So here we will get a 1 by 4. So therefore this is the percentage into fraction. Understood? Percentage into fraction. Fraction means a by b form. Okay, so that is called as a fraction form. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So here a simple thing you have to keep it in your mind. So now 100 percentage means what? 100% means full. Okay, total. Okay, what is 10 percentage of 100? 10 percentage of 100.
10.
Listen, 10 percentage of 100, which means the 10 percentage of 100. So 10 percentage means 100 here, 10 by 100. So therefore this 100 and getting cancelled, then you will get as your 10. Understanding? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So this is the basic conversion with respect to percentage into a fraction. You can do anything by using this method. So now the second thing is I'll give you the question after the concept. I'll give you the basic question only. Okay. Please everyone try to give the answers. Okay. So now conversion of fraction into percentage. Okay. The conversion of fraction into percentage. This is also very important concept. So what is the step? Okay, the first step, what you do is multiply a given fraction, multiply the given fraction by 100. Then second step is put the percentage sign. So that is the simple. Okay. So for example, 3 by 4. Convert this fraction.
Are you on the first page or are you writing anything?
People, I am writing here. If
Sir,
people visible,
I can just see the cover page.
please write. For others,
Here, Mr. I
It's
can
clear,
see.
sir.
everything clear, right?
We could see the updated. We could see.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Deepthi, please rejoin. Deepthi, rejoin. Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
So therefore this
Yes, sir.
fraction into, we need to convert into that percentage. So what we need to do, so multiply the given
100.
in terms of 100. So therefore here 25, then 25 into 3 are 75, then put the sign at last. So therefore 3 by 4, which is equal to 75 percentage. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So whatever be the number, so this is the basic here we need to understand. Okay. If they are asking you to find out the percentage, then simply multiply with the given number with the 100, then finally you just put a percentage. Simple. Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So here, this is the concept called as conversion of percentage into ratio. Percentage into ratio. So first step, listen. First what you need to do is convert that percentage into a fraction. Deepthi rejoined, please check people.
Yes, sir, it's working, so thank
Fine,
you.
fine. Then after converting into the fraction, then convert in terms of a ratio. Simple. Okay. For example, 60 percentage. So what is the 60 percentage? How to convert in terms of a fraction? 60 by 100. Okay. So 10 gets cancelled here. Then the simplest form, that is nothing but the fraction. So
3 by
here
5.
3 by 5. So this is the fraction here. After converting this, you can write it in the ratio. The ratio is nothing but A is to B form. So therefore 3 is to 5. The ratio is nothing but A is to B form. This is nothing but A by B form. Everyone understood how to convert a percentage into ratio?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then next one. Conversion of ratio into percentage. So same concept but the reverse logic here. So what is the step? First of all, convert that ratio into fraction. After conversion into a fraction, then find percentage. Simple logic. So for example, simple no, same 3:4 ratio. So then fraction is 3 by 4. Percentage is what we need to do, multiply with 100. So then cancel this. So 3 into 25, 75. At last finally put a percentage sign. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So if you are having basic knowledge, then it is quite easy to do these problems with respect to the percentage, since this percentage has a lot of applications. Okay, so therefore you need to be very careful with the basics. So now percentage into decimal. Okay, this is very important. Percentage into decimal. So I'll give you simple steps. First, remove the percentage sign, then move the decimal point, move the decimal point two places to the left, two places to the left, or else simply take this one, this note will help you. Okay, divide the given number with 100. Simple, divide the given number by 100, then you will get that percentage into decimal. For example, you just take 64 percentage. So here the first method is remove the percentage. I have removed the percentage. What is the second step? Move the decimal point to the two places to the left. So this is the first place, this is the second place. Okay, first place,
0.64.
second place. I'm just moving the decimal here, therefore 0.64. This one method, or else 64 by 100. So therefore two zeros are in the denominator. Same way you have to move two places from the left. Therefore, understood? So here, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, simple. Next, conversion of decimal into a percentage, decimal into a percentage. So here first step, or simple, uh, one simple note is multiply the given number by 100, multiply the number by 100. Simple. So this is enough. So for example, I'll give you as a 0.79. So now this is the decimal. How to convert? Simply multiply with 100. 0.79 into 100. So 20 means two places it will move to the right. Two places you have to move towards the right while multiplying with the 100. So if you are making 10, then it will move one places right to that decimal. Then if you are multiplying with the two zeros, then it will move two places to the right of the present decimal. If you are multiplying with a 1000, then it will move three places. So like that. Understood? Done? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now whatever you have learned is the very basic. Then these are all very important concepts. Okay. So now the concepts. Listen. The heading is to find certain percentage. I'll give you a PDF plus listen carefully here. So to find a certain percentage of your given given quantity. Okay. Then what you have to do is simple. To find a certain percentage of a given quantity. So therefore you have to find out the certain percentage. That percentage we don't know, that is X percentage. So therefore X percentage of a given number the x percentage of a given number. X percentage, right? X percentage means x by 100. So multiply that with the given quantity. Then you will get the answer in a simple manner. Okay. Now, shall I give you a question?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is, okay, what is 4 percentage of 75 kg? What is 4 percentage of 75 kg? Hmm?
3 kg.
3 kg. You are understanding, huh?
Yes, sir.
So, you're writing like this, huh? 4 by 100 into 75, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then here 3 times, here 4 times. 4 gets cancelled, therefore 3 kg. Understanding, huh, people? Everyone?
Yes.
Anybody having a doubt?
No, sir.
No doubt. What percentage of 80 is 20?
Sir, 25.
25, yeah.
25, sir.
How? X percentage, ah? X percentage of 80,
Equal to.
huh? Is equal to 20, ah?
Yes, sir.
So x by 100 into 80 is equal to 20, ah? So therefore, we people calculate it in this way, ah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then 0, 0 gets cancelled, or else don't cancel 0, 0. Do not want to cancel 0, 0. Here 4 times, ah? Then 100 by 4. So therefore x is equal to 25. Understanding, ah? Anybody having a doubt here? Just have made a cross multiplications. Done, ah?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Clear. So here next one. Next one is expressing one quantity. Expressing a one quantity as a percentage of other quantity. Percentage of other quantity. Expressing one quantity as a percentage of another quantity. So that is the concept here. Handwriting is visible, or people needed me to write in a better manner, or it is okay.
It is okay.
Okay, sir.
See, if you want me to write like this also, I will write. Just how you people say. So now to express one quantity, so therefore x as a percentage of y. So that is the thing here. So one quantity, that quantity is x here. So that quantity should be expressed in terms of a percentage of y. So to solve this, just use this one. So percentage is equal to x by y into 100 percentage. X by y into 100 percentage. So for example, what percentage What percentage is 15 paise of a rupee? 15 paise of your 2 rupees. Okay, I'm writing as a 2 rupee here. Of your 2 rupees, 70 paise. In all batches, I will give you this question. Here, this question plays two concepts. That is what I'm presenting in all batches. I'll give you these questions. This exact question. So here, why I'm giving this question is here it is in terms of a paise. Here it is in terms of your rupee also. So therefore here what you need to remember is the unit should be same. Understood?
Yes,
One
sir.
is paise and another one is rupee. One thing is you have to convert everything in terms of your paise and proceed this problem. Simple. So that is what I am providing here. This question in every batches. So now 2 rupee. 2 rupees how many paise? 200 paise.
200.
Then again, so now 2 rupee 70 paise, which means that 270 paise. First of all, conversion is very important. Okay. After conversion, you move on with the question. So what percentage of X with respect to Y? Now you converted this 2 rupee to the 70 paise. So what is the X here? 15. What is the Y here? 270. So then you move on here. So therefore 15 by 270 into 100 percentage. So therefore you can cancel this 0 and 0. Then you can cancel this with respect to the 3 table. Right. So if you cancel this with respect to a 3 table, what you will get here? 3 5s are
5 by 9.
9. Then you are getting here 10 percentage. So this can be written as 50 by 9 percentage. So then you need to do conversion also. Here it is in the fraction. Suppose if it is in the mixed fraction, what you need to do is just divide this.
5.5.
Yes. So here 5s are 45. Then here 5. So how to write in terms of a, see you are giving the answer in terms of a decimal. But here the question is with respect to the mixed fraction. Then how to write means, then remainder, then here divisor, the quotient should be placed here. So therefore remember this mixed fraction is quotient should be here, remainder here, then the divisor here. Understood how to write the mixed fraction?
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, I was having a silly doubt actually. If I'm clear or not, just say me once. Suppose you have wrote 2 rupees equal to 200 paisa. So this 2 rupees 70 paise which you have wrote 270 paise, that is 200 rupee plus 70. That's the reason you wrote 270, sir.
No, 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 no. 2 rupees is nothing but the 200 paise.
Okay.
Then total 2 rupees 70 paise. So that total 2 rupees 70 paise is nothing but the 270 paise.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now the next concept here. So your percentage increase and decrease concept is important. So after this, three more concept is there. That is third after this concept. Okay, that is very important concept. So this is percentage increase or decrease. If you want, I will write in the words. A percentage increase or decrease. Okay. So if the question is dealing with the how much percentage increase, then So increase in the quantity divisible by the original quantity into 100 percentage. So that is the increase percentage. So now percentage decrease. So this is equal to decrease in quantity by the original quantity. Then finally you need to multiply with the 100 percentage. Done now? If the question is dealing with the percentage increase and decrease. Okay, shall I move to the next concept?
Yes.
Fine. Now this concept is also important. Okay, if certain percent of a quantity, if a certain percentage of a quantity is given, then to find that quantity, certain percent of a quantity is given, then to find a quantity. For example, later that percent you don't know, right? Take it as a x percent. So x percentage of a quantity, okay, is given. Okay, is given. That given you take it as some by. Okay, I'm just considering as a y. Then in order to find that quantity, so that is the required quantity. Here you have to find out the quantity. So therefore required quantity. So this required quantity is equal to y by x into 100. Y by x into 100. Okay, or else another way you can write. So x percentage of the quantity is equal to y. Then that quantity is equal to y into 100 by x. Same logic applying here. Okay, same logic only. So for example, 2% of a quantity is 1200. Then find the quantity, total quantity. People answer by using the same logic here.
60,000.
60,000. So now listen, it's a simple question, right? 2% of Q is equal to 1200. Find the Q. So 2%, right? So therefore 2 by 100 into Q, which is equal to 1200. I'm just cancelling this. It will become 600. Then Q is equal to 600 into 100. So therefore which implies 60,000. Understood? Fine. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Done. Done. So
Yes, sir,
now
clear.
clear. Now one more concept here. Okay. If a quantity increases by x percentage, then new quantity. So this concept is very important concept. You need to remember this concept. Sometimes lot of question can be solved by using this concept. So therefore very important concept. Listen. Then the new quantity is equal to the original quantity plus increase in the quantity okay. So therefore, or else you can take always remember, suppose if 25 percentage is increase, if your quantity increases by 25 percentage, then the new quantity is, people answer, if your quantity is increases by 25 percentage, then the new quantity is
125.
125. Everyone understood? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If the original quantity is not given, then what you have to take, that you have to take it as a 100 percentage.
100.
Yes, that is the logic you need to remember here. So here or else take it that original quantity as 1. Increase in the quantity is nothing but the x percentage. That x percentage is nothing but x by 100 of the original quantity. Of the original quantity. That is very important. So this concept you can apply, or else taking the LCM also fine. Okay, taking the LCM also fine. So now suppose decrease means subtract. So minus will be there. Understanding? If your quantity, so this is one concept, this is second. If your quantity decreases by x percentage, decreases means automatically negative sign will come, na? So simple. Then the new quantity is equal to 1 minus x by 100 of your original quantity. So this is the logic here. So this concept it plays very vital role in solving many questions. So clear means I will move on to the next concept. Next concept is going to be the very important concept. That concept, it is not a concept, it is the very important thing you need to remember during percentage. So that will help you to solve your problems in a simple manner and a quicker way. Okay. So listen carefully. Don't move your windows out of this screen. This concept is very important. These are all very basic one. So now listen. Always remember for a unknown. Okay. Or else full. Okay. The full total work is nothing but a 1. If it is in terms of a fraction. If it is in terms of a percentage, then you need to take that full work as a 100 percentage. Suppose only half of the work has been done, then how much percentage? 50 percentage. So now 2 by 2 make it to get 100. So therefore 2 by 2. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 50 percentage, then the 2 by 2 is nothing but 100 percentage. So now listen carefully. This simple conversions is very important. This is a conversion. This is very important. 1 by 3. What is 1 by 3 in terms of percentage? 1 by 3.
33.33.
Yes. 33.33 percentage. Please remember these things very important. See, some in a question they will give you 33.33 of 39 is that. Then find the value. So it is quite difficult if you don't know these concepts. For example, 33 percentage, okay, 33.33 percentage of 39 is dash. Suppose if you don't know this logic, it's quite difficult. It's not only difficult, it's a tricky. Okay, so what is 33.33 percentage? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into 39. What is 1 by 3 into 39?
13.
13. Simple.
30.
People understanding, huh? Why this is very important? This conversions is very important. I hope everyone will know. While doing the problem, you people come to know why I'm teaching this concept almost for 40 minutes, and then next going to be the another 15 minutes. So now listen. So this can be written as, always remember that 33.33 is nothing but 1 by 3. So this is nothing but 33 1 by 3 percentage. Okay. So those who already know, please do this as a revision. This part is important. So now again 2 by 3. Always remember the first thing, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, 1 by 6. These things, if you remember now, then it is easy for the next consecutive things. So 2 by 3, right? So what I am going to do, I know the value of 1 by 3, that is 33.33. Then 2 by 3 is nothing but simply we have to multiply 2 with that value. Simple. Therefore 66.66 percentage. So now listen carefully. This 0.66 can be written as 2 by 3. So therefore 66.66 can be written as 66 2 by 3 percentage. So obviously the next thing is going to be the 3 by 3. That 3 by 3 is obviously going to be the 100 percentage. People remember? Understood?
Yes.
Fine. So next thing is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is very important. Listen carefully. So half of this, right? Listen. Half of 1 by 2 is nothing but the 1 by 4. What is the
20,
half of that? 50 percentage
25%.
na? What is the half of that? 25 percentage.
25%, sir.
Yes. After knowing this concept, since it's a half, then obviously you have to divide 1 by 2 with 2. Simple. That you will get a 1 by 4. Divide the RHS also. RHS is nothing but the 50 percentage that you divide. Then you will get 25 percentage. Then after knowing this concept, it is easy to find out the remaining things. So 2 by 4. Listen, obviously the 2 by 4 is nothing but a 1 by 2. That 1 by 2 is nothing but the 50 percentage. Then 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but, I know 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 percentage. You have to multiply that 25 with a 3. Therefore, you will get a 75 percentage. Then obviously 4 by 4 is nothing but 100 percentage. So leave that. So next thing is 1 by 5. Remember. So here 1 is nothing but 100, right? So 100 by 5. 100 by 5 is nothing but what? 20 percentage. So in some cases they will give you, okay, what is 3 by 5? Okay, so 3 by 5 is nothing but a 60 percentage. They will give you 60 percentage of that is equal to that, something like that. So in that situation, if you replace that percentage in terms of your fraction, easily you can get the answer. So that is what I am explaining these things by taking this much of time. So now 2 by 5 is nothing but a, so 1 by 5 is nothing but the 20. Then multiply that 20 with the 2. Simple. 40 percentage. Then 3 by 5 is nothing but 60 percentage. Then 4 by 5 is nothing but 80 percentage. Somewhere they will mention 80 percentage of the something. Then in that 80 percentage. So now listen carefully. 80 percentage of 100 is equal to what? 80 percentage of 100 is equal to what? 80 percentage of 100.
80.
Hmm?
80, sir.
80.
Simple. Listen. 80 by 100 into 100. If the
80.
denominator contains 100, then the rate percentage is nothing but the numerator. So therefore 80. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Simple logic only. So now I'm moving with the next one. 1 by 6. So I am doing here itself. Now listen carefully. So if you divide that 1 by 3 with 2, you will get 1 by 6. Yes or no? 1 by 3 divided by 2 is nothing but a 1 by 6. So therefore divide that 1 by 3 value, you will get here. So therefore 33.33 you have to divide. So obviously you will get the value as 16.66 percentage. So how to remember? So here it is 1 by 6 now. Simple, right? 1 6 1 6 1 6 1 by 6 nothing but 1 6. So write 16 percentage. Then follow that 6. Simple. So now this can be written as 16. That 0.66 can be written as 2 by 3. Therefore 2 by 3 percentage. Then obviously you should not go on with 2 by 6. 2 by 6 obviously it is going to be the 1 by 3. 1 by 3 you know, right? 33.33. So then that value is equivalent. So don't worry. Then move on with 3 by 6. 3 by 6 obviously going to be the 1 by 2. So that also you have done 50 percentage. Then 4 by 6 is nothing but 2 by 3. 2 by 3 also you know, right? 66.66. So if you know the previous thing, it is easy to remember the next consecutive things. Next is going to be the 5 by 6. 5 by 6 obviously you need to find out. So here 1 by 6 is nothing but 16.66. 5 by 6 is nothing but you have to multiply that with 5. So 16.66 into 5. What is the value? I will get the value as 83.33 percentage. Then 83, that is 0.33 can be written as 1 by 3. So everyone understood? If you are having a doubt, please clarify now itself. These are all very important conversions. Clear?
Sir,
Yes,
that
sir.
16.66, can you explain, sir, how it come?
You have to divide 1 by 3 with 2 in order to get 1 by 6. Therefore 33.33 can be divided by 2.
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So next one. So you have done up to um, 1 by 6. This 1 by 7 is very important. Listen. 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is nothing but 100 by 7. If you divide, you will get a 14.2857, etc, etc, etc. It will keep on move. So how to remember this? Okay. What is the 7 table? 7 into 2 are 14. 7 into, understood? How to remember? 7 into 2 are. Then 14 into 2 are. Understood? How to remember? 25 plus members are there.
Yes, sir.
Fine. 1 by 7. So now 2 by 7. See, they will give you a question. Okay. I will tell you. I will give you a question now. So
Sorry
now,
to interrupt, sir. Sir, we
hmm,
need to buy heart this all.
no. At least first one by 7, 1 by 8. This thing, surely you need to remember this thing.
Okay.
Since these things will help you to solve a lot of big questions in a easy manner.
Okay, sir.
Even the simple questions also. I will give you a simple question now. After this completing this, I will give you a simple question. Listen carefully. Now 2 by 7. So what is the value of 2 by 7? How to remember that? Simple. Listen, leave that 14 here. Take the remaining 28.57%. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is nothing but 42.85 percentage. 42.85 percentage. So here the question. Okay, I'll give you the question. So some places they will give you 28.57 percentage of 21 is dash. So if you know the conversion, this is a simple question, right? Check here
Sir.
whether it's a simple question or not.
Right.
The
Yes,
question
sir.
is very, very simple. But if you know the conversions, then very simple. If you do not know the conversion, it is quite difficult to solve even this question. Not only difficult, lengthiest. Now, easy na? 28.57. What is the respective fraction? 2 by 7.
2
2
by
by
7.
7 into 21. So then cancel this 3 times.
Six.
Answer is 6. Simple. So you will get this kind of questions in your group exams. Okay. But nowadays, even group exams also giving some, they also due to the competition giving some moderate level questions. But you need to remember the basics. Now you remember how to
Yes,
find out
sir.
this? Fine. So at least 2 to 3 values you need to remember. Okay. So now 1 by 8. So now listen. 1 by 8 is nothing but the half of 1 by
12.
4.
Yes.
What is 1 by 4? 25 percentage. Then obviously 1 by 8 is nothing but 12.5
5.
percentage. Yes. This cases and all you need to remember here. Since 12.5 percentage and all frequently will appear in the questions. So that is what we need to remember. So then I'm not writing 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is nothing but the 1 by 4.
25%.
Okay, that is what I'm not writing. So this is very important. 3 by 8 is very important. Frequently will appear in the questions. 3 by 8. So 37.5. Then 5 by 8. So this is nothing but a 62.5. Then 7 by 8. 7 by 8 is nothing but 87.5%. At least remember the first values. Every first values you need to remember. Practice. So next is very important. 1 by 9 is very important. 11.11. 11.11. You should not read after the decimal as a 11. You should read as a 1 1. So therefore 11.11. So this can be written as 11 1 by 9 percentage. Okay. So 2 by 9. So this is nothing but 22.22 percentage. So I am multiplying that. Therefore here 22. So for example, in a question, listen, in a question, what is the value of 33.33 percentage of 81? 33.33 percentage of 81.
27.
So here 3 by 9, right? Therefore 81, therefore 9. So this is equal to 27. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So if you know this conversion, it's easy to convert. So that is the thing. I'm explaining this much things. So now, at least the first value you need to remember. That only my suggestion. So now 1 by 10, you obviously people know, right? 100 by 10, which is equal to 10 percentage. Stop here. So you need to remember this 1 by 9, etc. So now the next thing I'm going to give, that is also very important. 1 by 11 is very important. So obviously you need to remember these things. 1 by 11 is nothing but 9.09. So this can be written as 9 1 by 11 percentage. So in a question, okay, 27.27 percentage of, okay, percentage of 121. What is the answer? 27.27 percentage of 121.
33.
33.
Yeah.
Since 27.27 is nothing but 3 by 11. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Since 1 by 11 is equal to 9.09, then you have to 3 by 11 multiply that. So therefore 27.27. So therefore this is nothing but so therefore here 11 times, therefore 33. Clear?
Yes.
So you need to remember the first thing always. So therefore 2 by 11 obviously going to be the 18.18 percentage. So next thing is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is nothing but 8.33. 8.33 percentage. Okay, so you can write this 1 by 12 as, listen, this you can write as 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 also, or else just remember this. Okay, directly you remember, okay, without wasting. 12 1 by 12 nothing but 8.33. See, to solving the profit and loss concepts, this will help you. Since banking related questions, what is the percentage? The rate percentage they will give you. The rate percentage is 8.33 simple interest or else compound interest. That question also, that concept also, this percentage will help you. So please remember these things. So in the place of 8.33, you can simply replace 1 by 12. Okay. So now at least one value you need to remember. Okay, this can be written as 8.33 can be written as 1 by 3 percentage. Then 1 by 14, 1 by 14 can be written as 1 by 14 can be written as 1 by listen, this can be written as 1 by 7 into 1 by 2. So you know the value of 1 by 7. Please, without saying, just tell me what is the value of 1 by 7. Simple trick I have provided.
14.28.
Yes, simple. First two value enough. 14.28. Then into 1 by 2. Just cross this, therefore 17.14. So therefore 1 by 14 is nothing but 7.14. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So 1 by 15, listen, 1 by 15 can be written as 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. You know, right? 1 by 3, keep it. 1 by 5, you know, right? How much percentage? 20 percentage. Therefore 20 by 3 is obviously around 6.66 percentage. Then this is nothing but 6 2 by 3 percentage. Understanding? Then 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into that 1 by 4 is nothing but 25 percentage. That 25 obviously rounded off to 6. Okay, 0.25 percentage. So the 6.2 can be written as 6 1 by 4 percentage. Remember, you're not clear with the concept?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the concept I have taught in this 1 hour, this is very important concepts. So after this, let us solve some basic question. It's a basic question.
So
Really, it's a
1 by
basic.
13.
1 by 13.
7.69.
I am missed out here. So I gave the only basics. Okay. Now 1 by 13. 7
69.
percentage. So now let us move on with the simple questions. So this we have done. Okay. Then next question. 70 percentage of 70.
70.
Huh? How it is 70?
49.
49%.
49 percentage. 70 percentage of 70. So that's the question here. So 70 by 100 into 70. 10101010. Cancel 7 sevens of 49. People understanding? Don't make mistake. Okay, don't make mistakes. So I will write the question here if you want. Square root of 784 plus x is equal to 78 percentage of 500. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x. Then find the value of x. Simple.
Six three zero zero.
63.
00. No, sir.
397.
3.
362, sir.
See, for this question itself, people giving lot of answers. Try.
Sir, I took square root of total 784 plus
No,
6.
no.
Is it wrong?
No.
Sir, 394.
It is clear question. Square root of 784 plus x is equal to 70. See, it is I have not provided whole root of 784 plus x. That is not the
362.
question. Pratish giving
Okay, sir.
362.
Sir.
Upsc giving 362. Any other? Rashika, try again.
Sir.
Ashina giving a 390 minus 28. Rajeshwari giving 390. Why? Ismail giving 397. Sachin giving 394. No.
Yes,
Sachin
sir.
again giving 362. Ajay giving 362. What is the square root of 784?
28.
28, sir.
Simple. 28 plus x. Since yes. So your 78 percentage, 78 by 100 into 500, 0 0 0 0 cancel. Then 78 into 5 are 390, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So x is equal to 390 minus 28, so which is equal to 362. It's a simple question. Done. Everyone clear now?
Yes, sir.
Shall I give it next question? Shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, sir.
So the question is, listen. The question is dealing with 233 1 by 3 percentage. So convert in terms of a fraction. So it is in the mixer fraction. I will tell you the procedure. First of all, it is in the mixer fraction. Convert that mixer fraction into a proper fraction, or else as a fraction, not a proper fraction. Just convert in terms of a fraction. Then use the procedure which I have mentioned earlier.
One by three.
1 by 3. No.
7 by 3, sir.
7 by 3. Yeah.
So
7 by 3. Everyone
7 by
getting
3.
7 by 3. So your convert this first of all. 699 plus 1 is nothing but 700. 700 by 3 percentage. So here you need to convert in terms of a fraction. Okay. So remove that percentage and replace with a 1 by 100. So that is the thing. So 0 0 0 0. So therefore 7 by 3. Everyone understood? So give this in terms of a, this is the fraction, right? Give this in terms of a mixer fraction. Give this in terms of a mixer fraction.
2 1 by 3.
1 by 3.
2 1 by 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Fine, fine. I'm expecting answers from everyone. So please give some involvement. Fundamentals, basic is very important rather than doing the word problems. Ajay, புரியுதாப்பா?
Yes, sir. புரியுது சார்.
எங்க உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட் ஜாயின் பண்ணல?
சார்
ஜாயின்
இருக்காங்க சார்.
இருக்காங்களா? ரைட், ஓகே.
இருக்காங்க சார். இருக்காங்க சார்.
இருக்காங்க ரைட். அஜய், விஜய் ஜாயின்
ஓகே.
பண்ணிருக்காங்களா? இருக்காரு, விஜய் இருக்காரு. Vijay, everyone is there. Okay. So try to attend the classes regularly. Next consecutive classes and are very important topics. So don't miss the live classes.
ஓகே சார்.
Hmm. Everyone is regular only.
160%.
150%.
150%.
No, wrong. Grishma expecting answer from you.
62.5.
62.5.
Yes, sir. 62.5.
Grishma, Esther, Ilavarsi. Grishma, do it. Nowadays not
Yes,
giving
sir, doing.
answer. Doing fine. So now listen carefully. I will do. Shall I do?
Sir, please.
You want time?
Sir.
Deepthi, what happened? Deepthi, Dara? No, what happened? She has left. Maybe due to the network issues, whatever. She is also regular. Fine. So listen. X is 80% of Y. X is 80% of Y. So X is equal to 80% of Y. Form the formations. Okay. By the given. So just form 80% of Y means of means always remember of means a multiplication. Okay. So use that one. Of means multiplication only. Y. So now 80%. Just tell me. So without okay, I have done here. Fine. Without that conversion also you have done. 80% is nothing but a 4 by 5. Yeah.
Sir.
4 by 5. If you know the conversion, it's a simple. So now listen. X by Y is equal to 4 by 5. After this, move on the question. Then what percentage? So that X and all X and Y you have taken up. Then a percentage of 2x is equal to y. So you need to find out the a here. So a by 100 into 2x is equal to y. We need to find out the a. Okay. So then how to calculate that? So then a is equal a is equal to y by x into 100 by 2. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Then a is equal to, see, x by y is nothing but a 4 by 5. X by y is nothing but a 4 by 5. Then y by x is nothing but a 5 by 4.
Yes, sir. Oh, I'm getting wrong.
Fine. So then which is equal to 100 by 2. Here 25. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
62.5.
So then 5 into, so therefore 125 by 2. So which is nothing but 62.5%. So 62 point, that 5% can be written as 1 by 2%. Half 0.5 can be written as,
Sir.
yes or no? So 62 of percentage. Clear, everyone? Clear
Yes,
means
sir.
fine. I will move on to the next one. So these are all very basics. So if you are having it out, please clarify. Let us move on to the next one. Shall I move on to the next one? The number which is 15% less than 240 is what? Mind calculation. Use a mind calculation. Use a procedure also. Not an issue. I will do the both the things. Answer you can give. Ashina giving 204. Ashina giving 204.
204.
204 giving by everyone. Shall I do? 204. Everyone. Fine. Listen, I will tell you the mind calculation now. 240. 15% less. What is the 10%? 24. 5%. 12. Totally 15%. So therefore, understood? Subtract this. Subtract this. Simple. So therefore 204. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this concept is called as PCG method. Very important method. Very important method. Many institution will not teach you this method. I will teach you. My students know that my previous students know that I have taught this PCG method in lot of ways, lot of concepts. Profit and loss also I have done this PCG method. Yes or no? My batch students are there.
Yeah.
Foundation, not foundation batch. That was a crash course batch. In the crash course batch also we have done a lot of concepts with respect to the PCG method. In the upcoming classes, I will teach you this PCG method in a very beautiful and very elaborate way. Lot of big questions, big paragraph question can be done with respect to this PCG method. I will teach you this method in the upcoming classes. That is why the live class is very important. So in the proper procedural way, listen. So 15% less. Always remember the total percentage is going to be the 100%. 15% less means what? 85% of 100. That is the question demands here. So now we need to calculate this 0 0. Then here how many times? 2 table means 12. Here 5. Then cancel this. 17 times. So therefore 12 17s are. Isn't it? 10 70s are 170. Then 217 is 34. 170 plus 34 is nothing but 204. Clear? Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Fine. Fine. It's a beautiful conversion question. A percentage of 10 minutes is 1 hour is what? Sorry, I will change the question. The percentage of 10 minute in 1 hour is dash. In a crash course, I will not teach you these kind of things. I will teach you the basic concept and then I will move on to the UPSC related problem. It's a foundation course. I am doing this basic things.
Sir, 6.
No, wrong. 6 is wrong.
16.66.
16.66.
16.66.
Yes, sir.
16.66.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So remember here one logic you need to remember. Okay. So that logic is nothing but a 1 hour. How many minutes? 60 minutes. So that is very important. The question demands 10 minutes out of the 60 minute into, yes, that is what I have provided this. So I have already mentioned it is in the minute, it is in the hour. First of all, you need to convert the unit in terms of a same quantity. Okay. Then you have to move on. Okay. Then I'm cancelling this. You know, right? 1 by 16 into 100, 1 by 6 into 100, 1 by 6 already know, right? 16.66%. Here we have done here. See here. What is 1 by 6? 16.66. That is why these conversions are very important. Now you people understanding, right? Why I'm giving this much of importance to this basics. 1 by 6 obviously without calculating this 100 by 6, then 100 divisible by 6. These things are all unnecessary time wasting. So that is what we need the basics. I know 1 by 6 is nothing but the 16.66. Then simple. So then you can write it as 16 2 by 3. Ashina. 16 2 by 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. 16 2 by 3 percentage. People clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
Fundamentals important.
One point.
1 point.
1.20.
1.20. So 120
0.03.
percentage is nothing but 120 by 100. So if divisible by 100 now, you have to move two decimals towards the left. Therefore 1.20. Okay. Then 0.3 percentage. So which is nothing but 0.3 by under two places you have to move on. The decimal should be move two places. First place, second place. Therefore 0.03. 0.003.
Yes, 003.
Understood, everyone?
0.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Anybody having a doubt? No, right? Express each of the following as a fractions. See that a 4.5 months course. Surely I will take that course. Okay, don't worry. So if any of your friends are required or else any of your known UPSC people require means you may refer. And if you want to know the details, so please get the PDF from me. Okay, or else from the team member. Okay, that enrollment is going on. So you may refer. So 36 percentage. 36 by 100. This is not the simplest form. What is the simplest form? 9 by 25. So this is in terms of a fraction. If I am question dealing with in terms of a ratio, then 9 is to 25.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Fine. Then the next thing is 9 percentage can be written as 9 by 100. So here it is in the simplest form. Then simple. Now next one. So apply the concept previously I have done. Hmm? Hmm?
50, sir.
50, yeah.
Yes, sir. 50.
So 50.
50, yeah. Fine. So what percentage of 3x? So a percentage of 3x is equal to 6y. Then a by 100 into 3x which is equal to 6y. Then you're cancelling, then 2. So therefore a is equal to 2y by x into 100. So x is equal to 4y. Then y by x is equal to 1 by 4.
Yes,
Then
sir.
a is equal to 2 into 1 by 4 into 100. So obviously it is nothing but 1 by 2 into 100. 1 by 2 into 100 is nothing but 50 percentage. Clear? Clear? Fine. So now move on to the word problems. Let us do one or two problems today. So time is now 10:22. We'll do two
Sir, please
problems.
unmute for the previous side, sir.
Okay, wa?
Thank you, sir.
You know Samira Reddy, right? Noah.
Yes, sir.
56, 7 by 8
sir.
percentage.
57 by 8.
Yes, sir.
56.87.
Fine. So Samira Reddy scored a total of 455 marks out of 800 in an examination. What was, I will change here. See, with the name, see that a blood relation concept also here applies. With the name, you should not fix a identity. Now the Samira Reddy is a boy or girl, according to the question.
Boy.
Don't know.
Ah, why don't know?
Boy, his
It's a
It's a
boy.
X is
boy.
there.
People understanding,
According to this
Yes, sir.
question.
according to this question, Samira Reddy is a boy.
I thought he's, what was his approximate?
What was is right? Understood,
Yes, sir.
Ashna?
Yes,
That's
sir.
right.
Mm.
But that relation,
Also, you need to be very careful. With the name alone, you should not identify the gender. So, but this question says is, therefore, Samira Reddy is a boy here. Okay, that name is a boy. Okay, so therefore, required percentage. So, which is equal to 455 by 800 into 100. So, which is approximately 56.875. Okay, so you round off to 57%. Simple. Shall I move on to the last question of the day?
yes, sir.
Fine. Last question of this day. This is the very important question. Whoever applying for your group exams, very important kind of question. It's a simple question only, but an important model.
Sir, 700.
Yes, sir.
So 700.
Ashina giving 700, Vamsi giving 700, Prashakar giving 700, three people giving 700, rest of
700.
700. Everyone giving 700. 700 means okay. So here one logic. Okay, one logic here. The candidate who gets 210 marks fails by 21. So which means that the pass mark is going to be the 231.
Yes, sir.
To pass, person required 210 plus 21 marks, therefore 231 marks. So that is going to be the pass percentage, minimum required pass percentage. So that is the 33 percentage of pass is equal to 231. Therefore 33 by 100 into pass, which is equal to 231. Then the pass is equal to this gets cancelled. So this is nothing but the 7 times. So therefore 7 into 100. Therefore the minimum mark required. So that is total mark. Total mark in the examination. Okay. So here, if you want, I will change here. 33 percentage of marks. 33 percentage of marks. Therefore the marks is equal to total mark is equal to 700. Done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You people needed any other method? Shall I tell you the another method? You want
So
what means I will
33 equal to
so
231. So
total
doubling, tripling.
okay, that also done. Total marks I am just taking as a x. So that is the question demands. So I am taking that as a x. So here the pass mark, okay. The pass mark is equal to so this much of mark with respect to the 33 percentage. So therefore 33 x by 100. Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
ATQ. What do you mean by ATQ? According to the question, 33 by 100 minus fails by 21 marks. So therefore, which is equal to 210? Yes or no? Or else you can take 33 by x 100, which is equal to 231. That also possible. So therefore, 100 which is equal to 231. Then I'm cancelling your again 7. So therefore, x is going to be the 700. Done, people?
No.
Fine. I hope everyone understood today's class. I'm concluding this class here. We'll meet in the next class again. Thank you all. Have a good night.